So what's up guys? Today we have a new part for the 10th gen. So the new part is back here and it's pretty big. I did buy it used secondhand. So let's go ahead and pull it out. Well, I'll attempt to pull it out by myself. We got a Type R hood. So this is my new to me 2021 Boost Blue Honda Civic Type R hood. It does have a little bit of blemishes. Honestly, it's not too bad. I've seen a good amount of people run these hoods on their SIs, as well as a few people run them on their fk8s. But unfortunately, I have not seen anyone necessarily do a tutorial video on how to install it on their car. And so since there's no videos, I'm not really sure on how to do that. I've heard of people saying that you need to move the latch on the hood back. I've seen some people say you need to move the latch that's on the car itself forward or something like that. So I'm not sure. I think I've seen a good amount more people move this latch back, and so I don't know. I guess we'll try something. So this is actually my first time actually having a good look at the hood. When I went to buy it, I didn't actually look at it much. We actually just put it in the car and then I started heading home. I think I have heard of some people saying you need to flip this latch, and I'm not sure of exactly how to do that. I'm pretty sure this would need to be cut for this latch to come out. I don't know. I think I may just try seeing if I can somehow flip it with it being in here. I don't know. I'll try that first. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like it'll work. So guys, this is what I've been doing so far. I just ended up cutting the latch out with a Dremel and a cutting blade, and now I have the latch out, or whatever you want to call it. Let's see if it will focus a little better. Oh no, it's having so much trouble focusing. So this is where we're at right now. I tried to make lines to sort of have the center line of this hole and this hole, and these are just sort of arbitrary lines. Well, this one is for sure. This one's just a line of where I'm gonna cut this bottom part off, and these lines, this bottom line is sort of, I tried to line it up with this bottom part of this paint line, and that's where I'm gonna make new holes to basically move these holes up. And I'm gonna put riv nuts in here, and I need to drill those and install the riv nuts. I'm probably gonna try to remount it on the hood and mark holes for right here and drill them in, and also do riv nuts right there. Yeah, no one has really done a tutorial on how to do this, so for the most part I'm on my own. I'm just going off of pictures of what I've seen others have done, but I'm not sure of specific measurements or anything like that. Mine are sort of arbitrary, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna be moving the holes up probably around 3/4 of an inch, and the other holes are just gonna be after I mark these. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill these holes and put riv nuts on them, and I'll get back to you guys right after I do that. Okay, so I actually just got done cutting the latch as well as installing the riv nuts. Ignore my cut. I know it's super uneven. I'm using a really small Dremel, so anyways, but if you guys are wondering what I did, is I cut this with the marks I already had. I drilled those and installed the riv nuts, put that back on the hood, if you can imagine, like this, and then where these two holes are, I just marked them as close to the center as I could, and I punched holes and then installed the riv nuts on those. And now is going to be our basic last test fit, if you will. Okay, get our 410s, and hopefully, now for the most part, hopefully it'll fit. And the scary part about this is I actually haven't even tried to see if this will fit on the car. I sort of just am going off of what people said on the internet. So hopefully I didn't just fuck myself, because if it doesn't fit now, I'm sort of out of $300 and like 2 hours of time. Well, 2 hours plus 5 hours, so like 7 hours of time. 5 hours, a little over 5 hours for going to get the hood. But now I need to take the stock hood off the car and test fit this hood. So for the most part, the hood is on. I'm not sure if I want to wrap it or possibly get it painted. I'm sort of in between on getting it painted and possibly wrapping it either a similar shade of gray, or I'm not sure if they make Sonic Gray Pearl and wrap, but a similar shade, or possibly even just honestly wrapping it carbon fiber or something like that. I definitely would like to have it paint matched, just because I think paint match looks a lot better than even if the hood was actual carbon. If I got one from like Save-On or something like that, I think the hood would still look a lot better paint matched. But I don't know, I guess we'll see. It's probably gonna just, honestly, the route I'm leaning more towards is wrapping it, just because then I don't have to remove the hood and take it to get painted or prep it myself. But then again, I've never wrapped before, so I don't know how that would go. But yeah, that's how you guys install the hood. It's not honestly too bad of a job to do. The hardest part for me was not even cutting the hood, but more of like getting over the fact that I needed to cut the hood to make it fit. I was considering moving the latch forward, but ultimately cutting the hood's a lot easier and it does work. I don't think I have a picture or anything of my latch before I installed it. I would just try to go off if you guys are able to, just try to make a similar drawing on your latch if you guys are putting a Type R hood on, and you guys should be good for the most part. No one really has a really in-depth video on how to put a Type R hood on, in my opinion. I've seen people explain it, but actually showing the process of doing it, not so much. But yeah, so all that I really did to make the hood fit is cut the hood in that little slit. I'll show you. Cut this slit in the hood, and then I cut the latch itself after I took it out and re-riveted the latch, or striker. I think that's technically the name of it, is a striker. And after that, put it back on. You saw, if you you guys probably saw me and my girlfriend put the hood on, or took the stock hood off and put this hood on. And then after this hood was put on, I raised the latch, so now the hood is able to close. It wasn't able to close in the factory position, which was all the way to, I think it's closer to the middle. All I did was I honestly raised the latch up all the way, and it closes just fine. But yeah, guys, you guys want a view. It's not a perfect cut, but it works. So yeah, that's how you put a Type R hood on your fk8 SI base model, Sport, EX, Sport Touring, whatever you guys have. This method should work. And yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.